Today I want to solve some numericals of Gauss's law from NCERT textbook, particularly from the exercise, and it is page number 47. It is page number 47, starting from numericals 1.15. So what is the first numerical? It is 1.15. Have you seen it? Consider a uniform electric field 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per coulomb. What is the flux of the field through a square of 10 centimeter on a side whose plane is parallel to YZ plane? And what is the flux through the same square if normal to its plane makes an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis? Okay, so this is the electric field. What is the electric field? 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap. I cap means it is along x-axis. What is the magnitude of electric field? 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per coulomb. And this is the square plane. The electric field is along x-axis. Therefore, any plane which I draw on x-axis parallel to YZ plane, this is the plane. So what is the side of the plane? It is 10 centimeter a side. So what is area of a square? It is 10 centimeter, 10 into 10 centimeter square. So 100 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square is 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So what is the area? Area is 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. That means 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. So this is the area. This is the magnitude of this square plane, which is placed at a distance x is equal to 10 centimeter and which is parallel to YZ plane. So this is the area. This is the square area. Its area is 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. But we require an area vector. Therefore, I draw a outward normal. Since this plane is parallel to YZ plane, this square plate is parallel to YZ plane. So therefore, any normal that drawn on this plane becomes parallel to x-axis. So what is area vector? 10 to the power minus 2 I cap meter square. So what is the area vector? 10 to the power minus 2 I cap meter square. So what is electric flux? It is E dot A. What is area vector? 10 to the power minus 2 I cap. What is electric field intensity? 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap. Okay. Since dot product of a commutative law, E dot A is equal to A dot E, therefore I have written A here. So this is the dot product. So this is magnitude, this is magnitude. So what is I cap dot I cap? I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. So 3 into 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power minus 2. So ultimately 3 into 10 to the power 1. So 30. I cap dot I cap 1. So what is SI unit? 30 Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay. So what is the second numerical? What is the second part of the numerical? Now what they say? What is the flux through the same square if normal to the plane makes an angle 60 degree with x-axis? Now this time you just see. So this is the area. This is the square area. Let us assume that this is the square area. This is the normal to the square area. It makes an angle 60 degree with area vector. It makes an angle 60 degree with electric field intensity. This is the direction of electric field intensity. This is the square area. Normal to the square area makes an angle 60 degree. Now what is phi? Phi is equal to E dot A. Now we do not take the concept of I cap and J cap. So what is phi? Phi is equal to E dot A. E dot A means EA cos of theta. Okay. What is E? 3 into 10 to the power 30. What is A? 10 to the power minus 2. And what is the angle between area vector and intensity? 60 degree. So cos 60 half. So if I multiply this, it is 15 Newton meter square per coulomb. What is Newton meter square per coulomb? It is the SI unit of electric flux. Yes or no? Is it clear? The first numerical is clear. Now second one, you just see the second one. What is the second one? It is 1.16. It is also associated with this numerical is very close to the numerical 1.15, 1.16. What they say, what is the net flux of uniform electric field of exercise 1.15 through a cube of side 20 centimeter oriented so that its faces are parallel to coordinate planes. What is the net electric flux of the uniform electric field of exercise 1.15 through a cube of side 20 centimeter oriented so that its faces means faces of the cube are parallel to the coordinate planes. Parallel to the coordinate planes. Is it okay? The same numerical as that of 1.15. You just see. So since it is 1.15, that means electric field is directed along the positive x-axis. Since it is same electric field as that of the equations 1.16, so therefore electric field is directed along the x-axis. 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per coulomb. This is the SI unit of electric field intensity. This is the cube. What is the side of the cube? Side of the cube is 20 centimeter. We have to calculate what is the electric flux associated with the cube due to this electric field. We know that when the surface is closed surface, in order to find out total electric flux linked with a closed surface, we have to apply the Gauss's law. When the surface is closed surface, to calculate electric flux, we have to use the Gauss's law. Instead of calculating flux from E dot A, যেতিয়া সারফেসখন ক্লোজড হয় টোটাল ফ্লাক্স ওলাবৰ কাৰণে আমি গছেছ ল এপ্লাই কৰোঁ আমি ই ডট এৰ পৰা ই ডট এ ডট প্ৰডাক্ট অফ ইণ্টেনচিটি এণ্ড এৰিয়া ফেক্টৰ ইউজ নকৰোঁ অ'কে হোৱাট ইজ দ্য গছেছ ল গছেছ লটোত কি কৈছিল যে টোটাল ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফ্লাক্স লিংক টু এ ক্ল'জ ছাৰফেচ ইজ কিউ বাই এপচাইলন 0 গছেছ লটোত কি কৈছিল টোটাল ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফ্লাক্স লিংক টু এ ক্ল'জ ছাৰফেচ ইজ কিউ বাই এপচাইলন 0 এইটো আমাক দিয়া আছিল টোটাল ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফ্লাক্স লিংক টু এ ক্ল'জ ছাৰফেচ ইজ কিউ বাই এপচাইলন 0 okay so in this numerical so this is the closed surface this is the closed body this is a cubical body so inside the cube what is the charge associated with it what is the charge inside the cube inside the said cube yes the cube is placed in uniform electric field but inside the cube there is no charge since there is no charge the net flux linked with the cube is equal to 0 okay what is phi is equal to q by epsilon 0 since the cube is placed in the uniform electric field and it encloses no charge inside it so what is phi is equal to q by epsilon 0 here there is no charge so q is 0 so phi is 0 by epsilon 0 so therefore the total electric flux linked with the cube is equal to 0 that means in the question 1.16 that means in the question 1.16 what is the total electric flux linked with the cube it is equal to 0 okay today I stopped here